Hello students, I am Snigdha Verma and today I am going to teach you lesson number 5 of honeycomb quality. This is a story of Mr. Gessler, a German shoemaker who settled in London. He was a perfect artist of his skill. The story tells how he devoted his life to his art. He made the author's father's boots and owned two little shops in a small street. The shop had special qualities. The shop had no sign other than his own name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window a few pairs of boots we can find. He only used to make boots that were ordered, and the piece made never failed to fit. The author went to him when he was young. He asked Mr. Gessler, wasn't it hard to make boots? For which he replied, it is an art. His shop was small. The author went to his shop and asked him to make a pair of Russian leather boots. Mr. Gessler showed him a piece of gold brown leather and asked him the time he wanted them ready. The author got the shoes in time and fitted well. After some time, when he came to Mr. Gessler, he complained the shoes to be cracked. Mr. Gessler got surprised at it and he asked him to get the pair. When he saw the pair, he immediately told the author that those were not of his boots. And first time he discussed the condition and hardship of his trade and told him how big companies get good business by advertisement and not by work. Next time when the author visited his shop, he saw one of two little windows with another name painted on it. Mr. Gessler told him that as people did not want good boots, it was difficult for him to bear the cost of the shop. The author ordered many pairs of boots. Many months later, when he came back, he found Mr. Gessler's elder brother dead. Again he ordered several pairs of boots because he wanted to help him financially. Later the author went abroad and returned after a year. He found a 60 years old man appeared to be a 75 years old and who was still making boots. He again ordered many pairs of boots. When they came, he tried the boots. They were the best in fitting, shape, finishing and quality and leather. He sent a check to him. A week later, he decided to pay a visit at his shop, where he found another signboard with another name. He came to know about Mr. Gessler's death due to slow starvation. He died in the lack of food and care, but still, till his death, he worked, made boots of his best quality. He didn't compromise with quality. He died, but he didn't compromise with the quality. He was a good shoemaker. So students, this is in this chapter. You will get question answer in PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.